Hello. For today's 25 wise quotes on success and leadership, I selected Cornelius Vanderbilt, also known as Commodore. The lack of money is the root of all evil. A little thought and a little kindness are often worth more than a great deal of money. My mother said, I must always be intolerant of ignorance, but understanding of illiteracy, that some people, unable to go to school, were more educated and more intelligent than college professors. The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education. I've never found time to indulge more than a single ambition. I am not afraid of my enemies, but by God, you must look out when you get among your friends. I don't care half so much about making money as I do about making my point and coming out ahead. Got to spend some money if you want to make anything. Can't run a ferry that won't run. Never be a minion, always be an owner. Pay ready money for everything you buy, and never sell anything you don't own. It is the mark of the educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Got to look out for yourself. Nobody else ain't going to do it. The more one has, the more one wants. I've been insane on the subject of money. I just know I could make a heap of money. Never tell anyone what you're going to do till you have done it. Say nothing and jump quickly. I have always served the public to the best of my ability. Why? Because, like every other man, it is to my interest to do so. Be assured, those will be thy worst enemies, not to whom thou hast done evil, but who have done evil to thee. And those will be thy best friends, not to whom thou hasn't done good, but who have done well to thee. There is no friendship in trade. Let them do what I have done. Honesty is the best policy when there is money in it. What do I care about the law? I ain't got the power. Education is an admirable thing, but it is well to remember from time to time that nothing that is worth knowing can be taught.